About me. Hello, instructor. My name is Jonathan Jaramillo. I am 32 years old. I work as a forklift operator in Fitch Company. Currently, I live in Poland. My daughter Evelyn was just born. She is my little princess, and I love you here very much. Hobbies and interests. I am a very cheerful person. In my free time, I like to play football and paint. Daily routine. I go to work, and when my shift is over, I return home. I eat something, take a shower, spend time with my daughter, and the activities related to the technology program and I am studying. My studies, I'm currently studying technology and I dedicate time every day to completing assignments and learning new things.